everyone, and welcome to Alma Crash Repair Center. As you can see behind me, there's a BMW M3 2017. As you can see, guys, the car is being crashed completely, but still can be repaired, and then we're gonna go through together and then show you what has been involved on the accident in that car. So we got the wing has to be replaced. The seal panel unfortunately is quite badly damaged, so I have to put it on the jig and get it pulled. Look at the door is gone completely. All the airbags being deployed. Dashboard has to be replaced, and the airbags and the curtain, the side curtain. Back door is not even being touched for some reason. Tailgate has to be replaced. The quarter panel, I'm going to save it for him because otherwise that's gonna be, it's too expensive to repair. Then slightly damage on the rear panel. Well, it's not slightly, it is quite bad, but of course when we put it on the jig and then get it pulled, it will look absolutely amazing. So we're not really worried about the big damage, so we do small damages, bad damages. Everything is repairable in this garage here. Yeah, so of course definitely I will definitely go through it, how we're stripping it and then how we're getting repaired. Here you go. As you can see, the car has been stripped completely, plus it's being repaired as well. As you can see, the seal panel, we pulled it, we repaired it, we painted as well, and now it's time to put the car back together. All the parts here, we've got everything from main dealer, even the battery. The battery is nearly 800 pounds. This is the quarter panel, it's been flat, we need to polish it. That was destroyed here. All these rear panel being pushed inside, and then we pulled it, we painted it. Of course I did not put the way we stripping it and prep it and repair it, because this is, you guys, you always seen all these things, so you just want to see the result, how the car looks after the accident. So basically once we putting it back together, you will see it, how it looks like. And of course you have seen it from the beginning of the video, especially here on the door, and the seal panel is being pushed very badly, even the quarter panel as well. But all the parts has been ordered from main dealer, and now it's time to put it back together, and then we show you how the car is going to look after we're putting it back together. So the beast has been done, guys. As you've seen it from the beginning of the video, the damage was a bit nasty, wasn't that easy. So a lot of parts being replaced. All the parts we bought it from the main dealer, original genuine parts. We decided to repair the quarter panel. Quarter panel was quite nasty damage as well. Tailgate brand new. So this is the gaps between the tailgate and the lights and the quarter panels. Absolutely it's fantastic result. We're very pleased with the result. Paint work, all the gaps perfect, and we're trying to provide a good quality. We're trying to do our best, but we're not the best, but we're trying to do our best. Guys, I really appreciate your watching and your time, and please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much.